Hey everyone, and welcome to my website. The name of my website is Be Janie B. The purpose of this website is to promote self-love and help women feel more confident in themselves. So on this welcome page, I have just a little bit about myself and explaining what this page is. And I talk a little bit about my journey. And then down here you can go to these separate links that are going to be found on my page. There's daily confidence challenges, a page where you can relate with others and read their stories, and then tips on how to manage stress in your life. And then if you keep scrolling, you can actually subscribe to those daily confidence challenges and get reminders for those and what you can do. So here's that daily confidence challenges page. That's the one we'll go to next. And here again, you can subscribe to those, and then there's also a calendar of those confidence challenges, and then just other comments or questions that you can leave for me. The next page is called Relate with Others, and here you will find a lot of stories basically from other people and how they have dealt with confidence challenges, and it's just a great place where you can relate with others and what they're going through. And then here on this next page are some tips and tricks to manage stress a little bit. So pretty simple. And then I was able to set up a store. Eventually I do want to get products and I want to get services where I can actually coach others. Right now I just have like some prints of the logo and things like that. Something I can talk about right now that I struggled with is just being able to edit these pages. It was really hard. I don't know if I should do it with the Divi Builder. So any tips on that would actually be really helpful, because I would like to get this looking a little bit better, but I was able to set up that. So that's basically my website. Something else that I struggled with was just trying to get a good flow of everything, especially with my fonts and the colors of those fonts. So I was able to get pretty consistent fonts, but sometimes it just didn't look good to me. Maybe I just had to have other people see it, or like a third eye see it. Anyways, that was something I struggled with, but what I learned most was just how to use Divi, and I loved that. I also loved being able to create new pages, and I felt like I was able to navigate Divi pretty well by the end of it. So anyways, thanks guys.